Sometimes you can hear people running and screaming in the woods. Fire again.
I'm here with John Dyerample. He moved here on the PD River not too long ago. And tell us, John, what's it like living here on the PD River?
Well, it's nice out here, but since we moved here, we've done lost 3 dogs. I ain't sure what kind of fish it was. I just know it was big and it was blue.
That's what I was afraid of. You see, ladies and gentlemen, the PD River here is one of the most underestimated river systems in the world for catfish. There are catfish in here reported to be as big as Volkswagens. If you're going to walk around here with your dog, make sure you don't let your dog drink from the river. Probably a good idea to carry him. Anybody's children went missing lately?
Not that I know of.
Would you let your kids play around this river?
God, no. Not unless they were packing.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. John Dyerample. Come down here to the PD, you better be packing.
I like to shoot them in the neck.
Yeah, you always want to aim a little low. Make sure you hit that catfish in the belly.
One almost got to my dog.
Well, women and children should never go near that river.
There's things in there that'll eat you out of it, I know.
Some say the catfish will actually come inland and they will nest in the trunks of these trees. You see how some of the trees are hollowed out at the bottom. That would probably fit about a 300-pound catfish right there. There's reports of one guy that was actually fishing out here, caught the biggest fish of his life, ended up dropping his phone in the water and losing all of his footage. Can you believe that? A lot of rivers dump into the PD. Not many access points on this river. Like right here, there's not an access point for miles. And you can just tell. Ooh, look, I just seen one. Oh my God, that fish was the size of like a 91 Camaro.
Fire again.
Where'd he take off to?